I'm proud to nominate Mrs. Nancy Powell Tibbets for Dearborn County Chamber of Commerce and Civista Bank 2021 Woman of Distinction in recognition of her positive impact and contributions to Dearborn County community through her volunteer work. Nancy wears many hats and is a tireless advocate and volunteer for many community organizations and events. Nancy's boundless energy, compassion, and positivity are an inspiration to the many people who have the privilege of knowing and working with her. Prior to her retirement in 2000, Nancy worked with the students in the South Dearborn Community School Corporation in the Manchester and Aurora Middle School libraries, but her public service did not end at retirement. Since then, she has volunteered with many different organizations, including the Aurora First Baptist Church, Tri Kappa, Shriners Hospital, PAWS, Hill Forest, and many others. Nancy is a lifetime member of the Aurora First Baptist Church and has been a Sunday school teacher, deaconess, and trustee. She helps with the Upward basketball program at her church and Operation Christmas Child, a shoebox Christmas gift program. And prior to COVID, Nancy served on the Women's Lenten Fellowship Committee and helped plan the programs, speakers, and catering for the Aurora area Lenten dinners. Representing her church, Nancy visits Aurora Elementary School as part of the Good News Club to work after school with students. She also participates in the One Red Box Holiday Meal Outreach Program of Seven Hills Church in Florence, Kentucky. It helps feed those in need in southeastern Indiana, Ohio, and Kentucky. Nancy is a longtime active member of Tri Kappa sorority, Aurora Associate Chapter, and recently has served as treasurer. Among other philanthropic endeavors, this organization provides scholarship in math and social studies to graduating seniors from South Dearborn High School. And prior to COVID, Nancy regularly helped the chapter prepare and serve food at 4th Street Food Cafe, offering a free meal to the Aurora community on Tuesday evenings at the Aurora First Presbyterian Church. Annually, Nancy serves on the Tri Kappa committee that decorates the urns in Lesko Park for Fall in Love with Aurora. Shriners Hospital is another organization that Nancy supports with her time and energy. She makes desserts and serves at the monthly dinners April through October at the Shrine Club, where the money earned is given to Shriners Hospital. Mrs. Tibbets is presently on the board of directors of Hill Forest, where she serves on several committees and helps organize fundraisers, most recently a final farewell, the last dinner aboard the Titanic, and designer bag bingo for the Historic Foundation. Nancy makes delicious tea sandwiches and sweets, helps decorate the mansion for the Christmas holiday season, and serves at teas and dinners. In the years that the coalition at the Clearinghouse had its annual toy drive at the Christmas time, Nancy helped sort and organize the toys to fill the children's Christmas wish list. But Nancy not only helps the people in the community, but she also helps the furry ones as well. She donates to and she works at the annual PAWS rummage sale, helping to raise funds for the animals in the shelter. Working with organizations is not the only way Nancy impacts our community. She makes little goodie boxes to take to the residents at Ridgewood Health Campus when she visits them, showing her compassion for others and sharing her positivity with her fellow community members. On a personal note, Nancy is one of the most compassionate people I know, the kind of person that goes out of her way to help someone every day. She inspires me to continue to be involved in the community, to try to make a positive change in the community, and to help make Dearborn County a better place to live. Nancy Powell Tibbets is clearly dedicated to helping those in her community. Somehow she still finds time to be a devoted mother to 2 grown children and 4 grandchildren. Nancy is highly deserving of being a Dearborn County Woman of Distinction.
First of all, I'd like to thank my good friend Fee Ellinghausen for nominating me. It's quite a pleasure for her to think of me in that line. Fee and I have been friends forever through high school and grade school, and we're still friends all these years. At no time do I ever remember having a bad conversation with her. When my husband passed away in 2004, I had taken care of him quite a long time, and I didn't know what to do. And I thought to myself, there's just so many things that people can do to keep themselves occupied. Things that are good, good for other people. So basically, my plan is to get up every morning and do good. It's a very simple thing. Mainly, I really like to work with children. Children are easy to work with, I should say, and so able to you can manage them so much easier than adults. So I really enjoy working with children. I do a lot of work with church, and that's one of the big things in my life. I've taught Sunday school for many years, and that's a really great goal too. Work with upward basketball, all of those things that Fia Ellinghausen mentioned. So I want to thank her and all of my friends and all those people who've supported me all of my life for this great privilege. Thank you.
Again, on behalf of the Chamber, thank you for watching and celebrating our 2021 Women of Distinction. And also thank you to Civista Bank for their continued support of the Women of Distinction event. We hope to see you in February. And also we would like to thank our Diamond members, Civista Bank, Dearborn County Convention Visitors and Tourism Bureau, and Rising Star Casino.